Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th Mathematics chapter Quadratic Equations Part 2. तो इस पार्ट में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे जीरो ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल इस टॉपिक से. जीरो और रूट ऑफ अ quadratic polynomial. So, for what value of x the given polynomial p at x becomes 0 is called zero of a polynomial. I'll repeat. For what value of x in the given polynomial p at x becomes 0 is called zero of a polynomial. And for the root, there are only two roots of the quadratic polynomial. We can only form two roots of quadratic polynomial, not more than two. Now let us solve a question based. The question is, examine whether the given values of x are the roots of the quadratic expression a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square is equal to 0 when x is equal to a upon b and x is equal to b upon a. Means we have to see that in this question, are this value of x 0 of this quadratic polynomial? 0 means when putting this value in this expression, do we get them equal to 0? If yes, then it is the 0 or root of the quadratic polynomial. So we'll substitute a square into x square means a upon b square minus 3ab into x means a upon b plus 2b square is equal to 0. b will get cancelled, will remain with a raised to 4 upon b square minus 3a square plus 2b square equal to 0. Means this is not equal to 0, that means LHS is not equal to RHS. So we can say that therefore x upon a, when x is a upon b, then it is not the 0 of quadratic polynomial, of given quadratic polynomial. So I've written this over here. When we'll put the value of b upon a, let's see what the answer comes. A square into b upon a square whole square minus 3ab into b upon a plus 2b square is equal to 0. A will get cancelled. A square, as this was square, will get like this. A square will get cancelled. Will remain with b square minus 3b square plus 2b square is equal to 0. b square plus 2b is 3b square minus this minus 3b square will get 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, and we'll write the statement as when we put x is equal to b upon a in given expression, in given quadratic polynomial, it becomes root of quadratic polynomial. I hope you have understood till this. Now let us see quadratic equation. Consider a quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Now, this is the quadratic polynomial, and we will say it as quadratic equation only when this quadratic equation will be equal to 0. तो जब भी let's say I've written this example 5y square plus 2y is equal to 5. अब ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ही है, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं है, बट अगर हमें इसे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनाना है सो विल राइट 5y स्क्वायर प्लस 2y विल ट्रांसपोज 5 विल गेट माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0. तो ये हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. तो अ सेकेंड डिग्री इक्वेशन इज नोन एज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. हम इसे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कहेंगे और ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं होगा, जबकि अगर कोई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इक्वल टू 0 है तो फिर वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होगा. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. So we can say this equation is in its standard form and even this is in its standard form. General form of a quadratic equation we have learnt is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The three constants a, b, c represent a as the coefficient of x square, b as the coefficient of x, and c the constant term. Now there are two methods of finding roots of quadratic equation. Methods of finding roots of quadratic equation. So first method is factorization method. And second method is formula method. Or direct method or Hindu method. So in part 3 we will learn this both methods and we will solve some problems based on them. In part 3 we will learn factorization method and solve some problems based on Then, I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 3. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching.